Okay, so our project is complete. This lanai was about 360 square feet. As you can see, there's a lot of ins and outs on the whole job. And you can really see how nice the corners look by taking that extra step with the multi-tool, with the masonry blade, and knocking down those corners. Makes the whole job come out just a little bit nicer. Now they can sit out here, enjoy the floor, enjoy their beautiful backyard. This color is Domino. Thanks for watching. Job looks great.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.